Well, good afternoon, y'all. This is the fig tree, and we're going to take some cuttings. And we're going to do, or we're going to try, a very simple propagation technique. And we'll see just how much it works. So, we need to decide what we're going to cut. Well, one thing, this is dead, so we take that off now. You know what? This is fairly new growth right here. This one right here. So we're going to take this one. Oh, we have another sucker coming down right here. So I'm going to cut it at the base. Right there. That's a nice little cutting. Might be able to get 2 out of that. And not really sure what else I want to cut off of here. So this one looks like it's kind of crooked. Well, you know what? Yeah, I'm going to take this one right here. Oh. Watch out, kitty kitty. Yep. Move out the way, Flub Butt. Okay. It's kind of semi-new. A little bit more weathered on this side. What use? Oh, girl, you can't even see you in the shade. Alright. That's 2. And I think we can get at least 2 cuttings out of each one of these. So, let's go inside and show you this simple technique. Okay, we're back in the kitchen. This super simple technique is a glass jar with about 1/3, maybe a little bit more than that, filled with water. And I cut the leaves off and I cut the limbs down. There's at least 4 nodules on each piece. And let me get you in there. I angled the bottom so we knew it was the bottom. And the top is flat. So, we're just going to drop them in there. Just like that. And then I'm going to take them and put them on the windowsill. Done. Y'all have a great one.